Hi guys, how you doing? It's Dr. Femi here from the Print Haven. Today I'm going to be talking about birthday gift ideas for children. Yes, we love children and they deserve the best of the best of the best. Guys, remember to like our video, turn on your notifications, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. See you in a bit. Welcome back. As I said earlier, I'm going to be talking about birthday goodie bag ideas for children. You want your children to have the best of the best, purposeful, useful, long-lasting gifts. So if you're having a birthday party and you want to give out a goodie bag for your children's guests and all of that, you want to pick out the most useful gifts for them. Guys, remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and please turn on your notification button. So we're going to go right into a few options that we have picked out here at the Print Haven. So what's a goodie bag without a bag, right? This is a lovely tote bag, and guess what, it can be personalized. So if you're having like a small party, a small group of children, not too large, you want to put the name, it's easy to sort out, it's easy to identify. What's not to like about the tote bag? If you prefer the drawstring bag as an option that they can take for swimming, take to school with their lunch in it, or a few extra items that may not fit into their major school bag, you want to use the drawstring bag, the canvas drawstring bag. It can also be personalized and it can be branded. So if you have a theme, a special theme for any party, this would be the ideal packs to use. This was a swim party that we designed. We designed this for a swim party. Isn't that beautiful? The next item that I would showcase is a towel, right? Who doesn't use a towel? Tell me, who doesn't use a towel? Everybody uses a towel. You have to take a bath and you have to dry your body several times a day if you're the finicky type that takes several baths and all of that. So a towel is a useful, functional gift. And if you have several children, maybe several children in the family, or you just want to be able to differentiate their gifts, why not personalize it? I put my name on this as a sample. Isn't that just gorgeous? We actually did this towel for a swim party. Yeah, if you're having a swim party, one of the best gifts to give out is actually a towel, right? So we're moving on to the next item. Children need to explore their creativity. You want to give them something, when you personalize a gift, it creates a mark of ownership. The child feels really special that, oh wow, I have an item that belongs to me. And if it's a child that is just beginning to read, they're able to identify their names, they're able to separate their items from other people's items. So a lovely hardcover notebook is one of the best goodie bag gifts you can ever give, because guess what, they're going to use it. If their name is on it again, and you score extra points because you know that it's not going to go to waste, so they're just not going to throw it somewhere and not use it. Drinkware. You cannot go wrong with a drinkware. You can have several types, but it's always a good idea to give drinkware. Remember, I said purposeful items, useful items. You can have 10 pieces of drinkware for a child. They will use it when they're going to the playground, when they're going to school, when they're going swimming, when they're going for sports, when they're in the house drinking. This is a pretty drinkware that can also be personalized. So you want to put this in the goodie bag as one of the options. Guys, don't you just love the options that I'm showing you today? Now I'm going to go to the next item. I really like this one. Remember, purposeful and useful gifts. These are headphones, right? Of course, we personalize them as well. I just turned it on. You can see the light. So it radiates different lights, it reflects different lights, and then you can also put the name on the headphones. It's so pretty. It comes in different colors as well, so you can mix it up either for a boy or for a girl. This is, in fact, if you want a small goodie bag, because this comes in a pouch, you just put this in the pouch and you are good to go. This is, you don't have to have several items in your goodie bag packs. You can actually do one item and you're fine with it, and the children will absolutely love it. The last item I'm showing today is a hair dryer. This is specifically for girls or for boys that have, that are growing their hair out. Lovely, lovely product, something that they can relate with. It's very colorful, very nice, and very high quality. So guys, let us know in the comment section which of these gifts you absolutely love for you to put together in your goodie bag. Let us know. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Let us know if you like this video so that we can produce and shoot more videos for you guys. And bye, see you soon.